So Mike, talking about water, there's different people in a household. People have different likes as far as, hot, cold, sparkling. You have something very special here that I'd love to touch on, and tell us a little bit more about the Zip Water.
Yeah, so this Zip Water faucet, it can be placed near a sink or on a font of its own. It's available in a bunch of different colors and in different configurations. And I say configurations, this one can do instant chilled, instant boiling right at the tap, and instant sparkling.
Wow. That's incredible. So how is it easy to use? I mean, how do you actually, so if somebody wants sparkling water, is it, let's walk through that.
Yeah, I think it's great for the person that drinks the bottled sparkling water consistently. Right. I mean, it's incredible. So you just tap the side here. So you're on blue. Blue is chilled. Then you move to sparkling, that's white. Okay. And then boiling. And boiling is actually got a safety on it. It won't turn on unless you hit the side twice.
That's perfect. So it's safe for kids.
That's right.
You don't have to.
That's right. But if you want it sparkling, we just bounce it over there and.
So as far as this system, is there a purification aspect as well?
There is. There's a filter. There's also CO2 tank.
Okay.
That handles getting the sparkling into it. And it's all hidden away in a cabinet, basically.
And it's easy installation? I mean, just like any other type of faucet, or is it?
I mean, it's probably more complicated than your average faucet, but any plumber can take care of it, and it just ties into your standard water lines and drains.
That's incredible. And when you say boiling, it's actually boiling coming out of the faucet?
So it's at 210 degrees if that's what you set it to. You can also set it lower than that, so you have total customizability with it.
Amazing, amazing. This is impressive, and because seeing an application like this and knowing that, getting that instant sparkling water, instant boiling, or chilled for that matter, makes such a difference for a household.
Absolutely, absolutely. And the flexibility that you have when you have your own font, you can put it in the bar or somewhere off on its own. You can also, like I said, put it right in the sink where you might be used to it.
That's great. And also, so as far as the finishes and everything that this comes in, does it come in other variations so that way it can match up with whatever?
Yeah, pretty much anything that you would be matching your faucet to, or any standard handle color. Your golds, your nickels, your chrome, and a variety of others, actually.
Amazing. It's beautiful. I mean, it's something that's beautiful standalone, and the fact that obviously it can be installed right next to the sink as well. But this is great.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. No, we're excited about it. We actually get a lot of interest on it. It's one of the pieces at the showroom that we have that we get more calls on than almost any other piece.
Well, what's unique about it is that I've never seen it before, but the average person doesn't know that this exists, that you can have all three in one.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, thank you for showing us that.
No, happy to. Thank you.